Hello, today I'm going to present information regarding applied behavioral analysis, also known as ABA, and to how it can be beneficial with helping others with their behaviors. Some may not have an understanding to what ABA is, but to simplify the meaning, ABA deals with understanding behaviors in terms of understanding to why behaviors change and to how the environment can affect one's behavior. With ABA, the goal is to improve one's behavior, whether it may be environmentally or socially. It is important to gather data on one's behavior in order to decide on whether it is appropriate or not. There are some who may not have an understanding to what ABA therapy is. ABA therapy again can help improve one's problem's behaviors, their language skills, and social skills. With ABA therapy, it can be effective being that it can be provided in a variety of environments, such as therapy can be home-based, school-based, community-based, or office-based. This therapy can also entail group or one-on-one treatments. ABA therapy can be beneficial in improving one's everyday life skills. With ABA, the treatment involves evidence-based practices. This means when clients receive effective treatment that involves evidence-based practices that have been studied thoroughly. These practices have been studied scientifically before they are introduced to others in treatment. These evidence-based practices could include the following: task analysis, prompting, extinction, reinforcement, and functional-based assessment, also known as FBA. The primary goal of using evidence-based practices is to improve on increasing one's behavior that can be viewed in an appropriate manner and to decrease their behaviors that may be harmful to themselves or others. With ABA, individuals with master's degrees or a degree in psychology or behavior analysis are allowed to provide these services, along with those who have passed and received a certification in ABA. There are also RBTs, also known as registered behavior technicians, that can provide therapy for clients while they are being supervised by BCBA. These therapists also have the ability in providing treatment to children and adults. Here are my references, and thank you for listening to my presentation concerning what ABA is and the effects it can provide for individuals.